Hey, hello. Today I come to teach you a good method. 2 methods. The first one is free to bypass this iPhone not available screen. Totally free and very easy. I will also leave the program in the description so we can restore it and log in directly to the phone. You don't need an advanced computer. If you don't have one, you can ask a friend or family member or from an internet cafe. And extra bonuses. I'm going to give you a second method. So without further ado, let's get to work. Leave us a comment with the exact model of your device. Tell us your case. What have you tried or just write? I need help. The first thing we have to do is go to Google and type check iCloud or K. So let's go to the first page. And here we are going to write the email of your iPhone. But you might be wondering, but well, how do I get it? It's very easy, you just remove the tray and there is the email number, okay? Once we're going to paste it here, easier than finding the password for the Wi-Fi in someone else's house or K. And we're going to paste it here, ready. And we click on verify and that's it. As you can see here where it says iCloud, lock is showing off. What does this mean? The phone does not have any associated iCloud account. So we are simply going to restore it, update it, and that's it. It's not going to ask for credentials and you'll enter directly. But for those who see it like this, look, iCloud on means that the device has an iCloud account and yes or no it will ask us credentials or password. But don't worry, I have the solution with method 2 and it's very easy. Just breathe deeply. Is there still no reason to panic? We go to Google and download a small application, this one here as well. I leave this program for you in the description. Once we download it, we simply install it, and with just 2 clicks we are going to perform a bypass on any iPhone. Whether from the XS to the 17 Pro Max. It also applies to iPads. Okay, then yes or yes with the 2 methods. Here in Xiaomi Unlock we have the solution. And without further ado, let's get to work. That hit was out of excitement, I hope. What we are going to do now is connect the cable to the iPhone. We will use this program called 3EU Tools. That also in Xiaomi Unlock we leave it here in the description, or if you prefer, you can use the official iTunes app as you wish, but I would recommend this application. Okay, once we connect the cable to the iPhone, we're going to press the volume up and down keys and power for a few seconds. This in order to put it in recovery mode. Secret combination worthy of a video game. If it works the first time, you are already pro level. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you receive notifications of new updates and technological advancements for your devices. And perfect, here we see a PC, which means we are in recovery. And now are we going to flash it or are we going to update it? As you can see, here I am going to give you a special note. And it's that for those people who got out, let's flash the 26.1. Now, for those who saw iCloud off, we can install the one we want. It can be 26.2 or if in the future 27 comes out. Okay, dear ones, once here we are going to download it here. Patience, these downloads weigh more than a student's backpack. Let's click on download. And that's it, I already have it downloaded, since it takes up a lot of space. So I already have it downloaded here. Well, a special note so it doesn't give you an error when flashing, we go to Toolbox. I will bring it a little closer. We're going to iTunes Utility. We're going to repair the driver. Advanced repair. And let's do this here in Clouds. Okay, I already clicked here, we download and simply install Microsoft. A small driver and that's it. That's all, nothing out of this world. Nothing to do with NASA. Don't worry, it's not mandatory to do this. But from experience, I recommend doing it. Okay, it was installed and now we are going to flash it. Being here, we're going to have some data. Please click where it says Quick Flash Mode or OK, because if we click on this one, it will simply show us. It will update to iOS 26. It will pass the software but will not restore it. It will not leave it on hello, or it will appear with the pin message or iPhone not available. So please, we click here on Quick Flash Mode. If you click where you shouldn't, let's cry together. Here I am going to select 261 because I believe that for most of you it will seem like you have iCloud on, or you probably don't know the password or don't remember it. And that's it. Here we're going to click on Flash, very easy. It has to be, I remind you, in recovery mode, and that's it. Over here we click Flash. I recommend not moving the device. Do not disconnect it while it's charging or breathe near the cable. Just in case. Well, while it hits 100%. I will pause the video so it doesn't get too long. We will be back soon. And that's it, dear ones. The process has finished. Tells us, congratulations. The flash has been completed cleanly. Now we only have to wait for the system to load.
Ya, podemos conectar.
Bueno voy a pasarlo momentum intrascale Gaussian por ciento para el video no se extenta demasiado. Okay, como observer el es positivo ha sido formado exitosamente, ahora vamos a configurarlo. Bueno como en check iCloud no se pareció estaba o vamos a continuar.
Vamos a darle todo siente. Si desean nuestra asesoría, en la descripción les dejamos los enlaces de nuestros contactos de
WhatsApp,
Pero para los que aspiran credencial no se median a preocupar, vamos a ver a Remove 12 listo. Bueno, continuamos. Ahora cargamos. Acá sí es obligatorio que nos conectemos a una red Wi-Fi.
Ok, perfecto.
En caso de que tengan alguna duda, por favor escríbanos abajo en los comentarios y personalmente. Uno por uno les estaremos respondiendo.
También los imitamos aqua visiting W Trocanal and YouTube Nemos Excellence.
Comentarios, difference métodos ok. Por aquí vamos a darle en continuar.
Face ID let Amos configure master.
Acá nos aparece creemos un código un pin ok para cuas personas que no les aparezca esto simplemente les.
Vape de la contraseña segura ment la mayoría les vapers esta pantalla.
Como pueden observar la solo propietario pueda desbloquear este iPhone no se preocupen aquí ya aplica. El método 2 ok.
Simplemente vamos instalar esta herramienta el tutorial son este tool silos de Joe Paraca meeting.
Acá está el tutorial para realizar el bypass con esta herramienta ok y una descriptions de link todo. Bandeja de plata. Listo por acá nos a opciones de código.
Wow.
Por acá le vamos a dar no transferir nada. Cuenta entonces le damos más oscones damos opciones de inicio de sesión. Usar otro dispositivo para reiniciar session usar varios cuentas. Bueno, vamos. En este caso vamos a escribirle un código listo vamos a darle 1 2 3 4. Porque bueno vamos a comprobar. No transfer nada. Y perfecto vamos a darle en agregar después en configuración ok le damos en no save.
Paraquia septimos. Perfecto.
Para cas personas aquinas les servios de tutorial por favor nos olivienda real arno san like nos.
Muchísimo paraquest video lisa parezca del 5 YouTube ultra personas quello necesite.
Listo.
Poracile damos en configure master. Agregar disputes and configuration. Y perfecto cariosi corridas llamamos lograr anostroiphone en este caso es un iPhone prig.
Maneras de método yacel el 1 el 2 aplica desde el X hasta el 7 Pro Max e cual Gear Tablet. El proceso ha sido exitoso ya podemos harto de las aplicaciones.
Como Face ID podemos realizar llamadas telefónicas leju mostrar. Efectivamente SIPA demos realizar llamadas. Bypass la única desventaja es que no vamos a poder realizar llamadas EMI.
Listo bueno vamos para Kim configuración vamos a general. Como pueden observar acá está el modelo.
También podemos actualizar tranquilamente cuenta de iCloud silo vamos a realizar con removo nolas.
Recomiendo utilizar Mozilla iOS 20.1 ok. Y bueno, podemos resteve el iPhone borazo contenido no hay problema no celes baba volverá a relocar.
Asimismo perlos kaplik el mito dodos con removal lupo de information inos elesva berezu. Bypass.
Ok, bueno queridos y queridas, nos vemos en el próximo video. Chao chao.